In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in HubSpot. Managing your contact list effectively is crucial to keeping your CRM organized and up to date. Sometimes that means removing contacts that are no longer relevant. So let's dive into the process of deleting a contact in HubSpot. First, navigate to the HubSpot User Guide. This serves as the starting point for accessing different parts of your HubSpot platform. Once you're in the user guide, you'll see an array of options related to user account settings and tools available within HubSpot. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Contacts Navigation tab. This tab is your gateway to managing all the contacts in your HubSpot account. Here you can browse through the entire list of contacts that you've accumulated over time. Once you're in the Contacts section, you're presented with a list view of everyone in your database, with relevant information such as names, emails, and other contact details. As you scroll through the list of contacts, find and click on the contact you wish to delete. For the sake of this example, let's say we're going to click on Brian Halligan, which is a sample contact in this illustration. Clicking on a contact's name takes you to their individual record within HubSpot, where you can see a detailed overview of all interactions, properties, and related activities tied to this contact. In this detailed view of the contact, look for the Actions button. This button typically contains a range of options available for you to perform various actions related to managing that contact's record. Clicking on Actions will reveal a drop-down list of functions, ranging from editing details to merging contacts. For our purpose today, we're interested in locating the Delete option. Click on Delete to proceed with removing the contact from your database. Before you finalize this action, it's important to understand that deleting a contact is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you delete a contact, all data associated with this contact, such as interactions and properties, will also be permanently erased from your HubSpot account. So, ensure you have selected the correct contact before confirming the deletion. If you're certain that you wish to remove this contact, go ahead and confirm the deletion. HubSpot may prompt you with a final warning or confirmation message just to make sure. Upon confirmation, the contact will be removed from your list, keeping your database clean and more manageable. That's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in HubSpot. Always remember to double-check whom you're deleting to avoid any irreversible data loss. Keeping an organized and updated contact list ensures better workflow and a more effective CRM setup. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide assists you in streamlining your contact management process using HubSpot. Catch you in the next video.